There's pause. Alright, so we're changing the rear differential fluid in the Forward Escape 2017. As you can see, I managed to pump approximately that much out, and I have an equal amount of new going in. I'm at 66,000 miles on my car. This is the Lifetime Lube fluid. As you can see, that doesn't look very healthy for Lifetime. Alright, now, let's pause this and go take a look at what we have to do underneath here, because it's really comical. Alright, recording again. So this is what we have to take out. I want to point out that this is a little bit messy. I need to wipe the metal shavings off the end of that. So obviously my rear diff has got a lot of wear going on because of all the metal shavings on that. Alright, but we'll leave that. In order to take that out, because there is absolutely no room, you need a 3/8 driver. Notice this is just a wrench extension that I extended the cutout on and then cut off so that it can fit in here. Alright, it fits in there. And then you get your little, since you've only got about 1 millimeter of room between there, this has to go on over top of it. Alright, see? And then I can turn it. Alright, now, then you need a flexible tube. Wonder if I can get in from this way and take a look. So if you're way up there, nope. You can't even see it that way. All right, let's go take a look from underneath then. So obviously I've taken the skid plate off. This is the rear diff. There is no drain hole. There is, however, a fill hole, and that's the piece that I took out. It is way up there. That is a 1/4-inch flexible hose. Notice the 90-degree bend going in there. Notice that it's not even big enough to get a finger up in there. Yeah, it was a lot of fun to take that out. And it's just a standard little pump unit. Alright, so I had it on that end and pumped it out. Alright. Now there is a level screw way up in. Let's see if I can get it for you. That's it there, the brown one, way in the back. I can't turn that. That's like a little 6mm Allen key jobby, and I can't get my hand far enough back in there with a wrench to be able to turn that. So we're doing this by measurement. Alright? It is a horrible job. And if you find a dealership that actually does this work, they'll tell you they did it. And you have no way to check, because there's no dipstick, there's no check spot. I took it to the dealer and I stood there, and they said, oh yeah, we can do that. Unfortunately, when I stood there and watched, they didn't even have the tools to get up in here. So they would have told me they had done it, and they wouldn't have done it. I would have paid for nothing. Anyway, I'll check back with you guys. Basically right now I'm going to put the other end on this, drop it into the clean bin of oil, and pump a little bit more than what I took out up in there. Alright. It's not the best way to do it, but like I said, you'd have no way to know if a dealer actually did this work for you or not, other than paying the money and thank you very much, and only to find out that they didn't actually do anything like I did. Obviously they didn't charge me because I watched and they couldn't get in here. Anyway, that's it for now. Come back in a bit.